Hello boys and girls. So in this video we are going to be just doing a hello world. It's a program that usually programmers make. It's the first program that you'll make and you learn some things here and there. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is open up Eclipse, and that's what I have here. Then right click here and then go to new Java project. And now you can name this whatever you want. I'll just name it YouTube and just hit finish. And then expand this and then go to src and new. And don't worry what I'm doing here, I'll explain all this stuff later, what all these packages, classes, this stuff is. So click on class and then type in any name. I'm just going to type in no, you know what, no, let's see, YouTube again. Make sure this is selected, hit finish, and you'll have this. And now just see if everything works correctly. I want to type in system.out.print and it will show up here like a whole bunch of stuff. Print, I'll just do it by hand. And let's do hello. I failed. Hello. No, world. God, I can type. So we have that, and just hit this, and down here as you can see it says hello world. So that's the first thing. So in this video I will be teaching you guys about so let's get started. Okay, so now this is a class, and I will go into detail about what a class is later on once we get more in depth in Java. First thing I'll explain is what a method is. So this right here is a method, and you can have a bunch of other methods. So but what you need is you need one main one. So the reason why you do, so you know what, let me just show you this. So public void, and let's call this let's make a hot dog sandwich here. No, sandwich or whatever. Hot dog. So that's another method. So this is a method right here, this thing, and this thing is a method. So basically why this one, so always whenever you start off, you want to start off with, you're gonna want to have one method that's called main. Always make sure it's called main. It can't be called, I don't know, whatever you may want to call it. Make sure you have one method that is called main, because that's where Java is gonna first start off. So it won't start off something where, like, say hot dog or some shit like that. So it knows where to start off at main. So it's always gonna start off at main. And you can actually call other methods like this. So we have this, it'll print that out. Then if I wanted to call this method, all I have to do is just type in the method name, so hot dog, and that's it. And this thing, okay, yeah. And also I want to make this static. I'll explain all that stuff later. So that is that. And thing, no. And also these, what these mean, these public, this public means basically that you can access these methods from another file. So if we were to make a new class here, now let's just call it some random stuff, and now what we can do is we can access these methods from here because they're public. And you can also make one that's private, and you can probably guess what a private method does. Private static void hot dog, that'll have 2 G's. Okay, so this one here is a private method. So this means that we can't access this one from another file, but this one we can because it's public. So let's do this. So let's go YouTube dot, nope, that's not right. Okay, so okay. So first of all, we'll just make a random method in here. Public hello. Oh, can't type today. Okay, so now what we can do is type in YouTube. Now it should work. Yeah, there you go. Now as you can see, now it works. So there's our hot dog thing that we were talking about. So as you can see, we can see hot dog there. Well, we can see hot dog, and notice that we can't see hot dog with the double G's. That's because that's private. So now we can call this method from another file. So it would call, so this line right here would call this method. And that's basically it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.